how to create a website using AI for free. So I was able to create a simple looking business website for completely free without writing a single line of code. And I'm going to show you step by step how you can do the exact same thing. All that you have to do is simply look in the video description down below. I'm having a link of this platform right there. Click on it. It's going to bring you right here as an affiliate link, and then come and click on Let's Build Website. So over here you can come and then create your website without any credit card. Okay, you can come and then put your first name, your last name, your email address. You create a strong password, then come and then click on Start Now. You have the option to also come and then click on Sign Up with Google. That one is much faster. Over here you have to come and then describe who you are. Okay, so I'm simply going to select I am a freelancer, this one, and then after that simply come and then click on the next. You have to declare if you work for people or you create jobs for people. Okay, simply going to select I don't build site for clients, and then come and click on the next. After that, over here you have to come and then explain if you have any experience building websites. So I'm going to select I don't have experience building or designing websites, and then come and then click on get started. Okay, so over here you have two options to build a website. We have to use AI, and then we have the option to select template. So since we want to build our website with AI, we are going to select get ahead and start with AI. Okay, get ahead with AI, and then over here come and then put in the name that you prefer that your website is going to be, then come and then describe or what your business is about, that is what you are going to do with the website. Okay, after that simply come here. If you have a logo, come and then click on here to add your logo, and then simply come and then click on the next. Okay, then from here you can come and then describe in detail what you are going to do. Okay, so that the AI will know exactly how to build a website for you. If you don't have anything to say, just come and then click on need an idea to start. Okay, the AI is going to generate some for you, and then make sure that the language is English. The conversational style, you can come and then choose any of these, but I'm going to leave it at the default, and then come and click on the next. Okay, over here you can come and then extract a brand color by simply adding your logo here. Okay, but you can also come here and then come and select any of these color palettes by simply selecting one. Okay, and then you can always change it later. Okay, so after that simply come and then click on the next. Okay, then over here you can come and then select the font type that you prefer. We have several of them. Okay, so you can come and then select any, but for this tutorial I'm simply going to select this one. Okay, good. After selecting, I simply come and then click on generate site. All that you have to do is just relax, and then your site will be generated. Come and close this walkthrough. Okay, and then over here, when you look here, you see that when you click on the down arrow, you have all your pages here. So automatically, these are the pages that it has created for you. You can also come and then click on create new page and then add more to it. Okay, so when you are done, simply come here and then come and click on the down arrow and come and select with all pages. Okay, so we are going to continue to the editor with all the pages that we have created. Okay, so you have the option to use all of these to edit your website. Okay, so you can also come here to where you have the home. When you click on the down arrow, you can come and select any of the pages and then edit it. Okay, so when you select the page, you have the option to edit anything on the page. So let's say you want to edit this, you just double click on it and then you can write anything that you want. You also have your text blocks right here, okay, that you can come and then select any of them to edit the text. Okay, so let's say you want to edit an image, you just double click on it, okay, and then this will be shown. Okay, this dialog box will come. You have the option to change the image and then replace it with your own by simply coming to click on replace. Okay, you can also edit it as well, change the background and anything that you want with the image. So when you are done with everything, you can come and click on the publish, and you can publish your website. Okay, and that is it. You are given a default domain that you can publish your website on. Okay, you can also purchase a domain and then it comes with 1 year for free. Okay, and then if you have your own existing domain, you can come and select this one, but I'm simply going to go with the default one, okay, which comes along with this. So simply come and then click on save, And that is it. The website has been published, okay, and saved. You can simply come and then close it, and then let's go back to our dashboard, okay, by clicking on the logo. Okay, so when you click on it over here from your dashboard, you see that this is the website that we have just created. Okay, so give it a try and then come to the platform and then build your free AI website. Like the video and see you in my next video.